What is up, fellas? Long time no see. Here we are working on the bike. As you've seen in the previous videos, it was a lot different looking, I guess. I've been slacking on you guys. Sorry. But so yeah, we got the Ducati front forks on there. We're working on getting a front wheel for that. Spoked, because since it's a Ducati, it kind of makes it a pain in the ass to find a hub that will work that's spoked. It's not, you know, like the more common stuff. So working on finding that. I think I got something that'll work. We'll see. Take the waxy poo around. Cut that off. Oh, okay. Just cut those off. Just patching it up because it didn't quite where I wanted the actual shock to sit. It just didn't want to line up right there. So then we got the GSXR rear sets on. It's real simple. It's just a bracket that bolts 2 bolts, and then this bolts that. It's super easy. That works good. And those Ducati forks. I don't even know what they're from. Not 100% sure. But yeah. Stand by. There'll be more on this. More on the Starlet too. It's just chilling. Poor little thing. Alright guys, got some little plates made here for our taillights. Just go like a sure. Like that. And just gonna lizzop them right now. Right now I'm just filing down this, making it nice and flat so these sit good. Still not sure how I'm gonna mount them. I don't really think that far ahead, so you know, it's the way she goes sometimes. We shall see. So I JB welded these on there. I didn't have any sheet metal, or I would have just welded them. So it's aluminum. Whatever, you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna hit the grinder on it, clean it all up, make it look nice. One piece looking kind of deal, you know. And then that's really about it for that. Once we do all this, then we can I'll clean the frame and then we'll paint it. And hell yeah. Alright, we just got done cutting off some brackets here. Now we're just grinding them flat. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, so you know. Alright. And let's go in here somewhere. even see it. Maybe. We'll see. But I need to go cut it. I'm not gonna cut it here. Cut it. And it's sharp. BRB. Alright, we got our backing plate here. It goes on the, it's kind of like our mud guard or whatever. Just gonna pop some holes. We're gonna rivet it on. Just drill into the table. It is hot today. Put another one in the middle. I thought I did. It's all a mystery. Some measure lating real quick. It looks good to me. Close enough, I promise. Cheeky right now. Sure, it looks even. Hold up. Clampy, wherever he's at. Come out. Dokie. Smoky. Hey. Oh, no shit. Man, this is... Well. Yeah, I mean, the holes are all centered, so that's cool. This is maybe just a hair in, but I'd say we did pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, whatever, dude. Put this off. Whoops. Whoopsie daisy. That's pretty lame. We have to do that again. Maybe that wasn't the best way to do it. Oh, I'm sorry. Rude. Had enough of it. Where's your knife when you need it? Not on you. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Alright guys, that's about it for now. I don't know, I'll be back. Don't want to get into it. Do some shit. Stuff and things. Some Evo wheels on a Starlet. Alright, bye.